Hi there, I'm Julia from Owl Labs, and today I'm going to show you how to join a Webex meeting using your Meeting Owl. If this is your first meeting, make sure your device is set up and registered before joining. Instructions to do this are linked in our caption, as well as other important information you might need while watching. Once your device is registered and ready to go, let's join your Webex meeting. Adding the Owl into your meetings will be simple. While it is a smart device, it's not so smart that it overcomplicates things. You can run your meetings how you normally would, and the Owl will meld seamlessly into the process. You'll still use your laptop to host a meeting. If you usually display your meetings on a larger screen in the room, you can use the same HDMI cable or wireless casting system to share from your host computer to the display. Now, open Webex and join your meeting. The only extra step you'll need to take is to check that your Meeting Owl is set as your camera, speaker, and microphone. Select the arrow to the right of the microphone icon on the bottom left of your screen and select the Meeting Owl as your microphone and speaker. Then, select the arrow to the right of the camera icon on the bottom left of your screen and select the Meeting Owl as your camera. Finally, make sure that your video is on and your microphone isn't muted. Then, when you're ready to go, jump into your meeting by selecting Join Meeting in the bottom right side of your screen. To change the Owl's audio and video settings in your meetings, such as toggling the pano view along the top or activating the ignore zone, open your Meeting Owl app on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Thanks for tuning in. We hope the Meeting Owl helps take your hybrid meetings to new heights. As a reminder, you can find helpful information in our caption, like support articles and information on where to contact us. If you have any questions or issues, please reach out at owllabs.com or hello@owllabs.com. Happy meeting!